Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, where we turn house hunting and home styling into a daily adventure. Today, we are stepping into a world of pure charm and comfort. If you have ever dreamed of living in a space that feels like a warm hug at the end of a long day, you are going to fall in love with today's topic, cottage-style home design. It's cozy, it's inviting, and it's arguably the most heartwarming design trend out there. Let's explore how you can bring that storybook magic into your own home. Cottage-style homes are examples of charm and a welcoming facade. Typically smaller than many other types of architecture, these dwellings prioritize comfort and accessibility over size and extravagance. These cottage-style homes will inspire you to add cottage design to your home's decor. One, cottage-style home entrance. Colorful blooms and a pretty front gate on a picket fence create a welcoming entrance to this cottage-style home. Planted containers flank the swinging gate, reinforcing the symmetry created by dual sets of bay windows and shutters around the front door. Brick accents on the cottage home exterior and pathway add charming texture and contrast. 2. Modern cottage-style home. Interpret cottage style on a modern home with a crisp exterior color scheme and elegant details. A swinging gate and curved stone path lead to this home's wide front porch, where the bright front door and colorful patio furniture pop against a slate blue exterior neatly defined by white trim. 3. Cottage-style characteristics. Cottage-style homes can vary widely, but there are a few characteristics that distinguish this architectural aesthetic. Their diminutive size is one key characteristic, and chimneys often feature prominently in cottage house plans. On this small white cottage, a brick chimney and 2 small dormer windows add interest to the roofline. 4. Cottage home styles. Cottage-style homes often borrow architectural elements from other house styles, but showcase them on a smaller scale. For example, this home features craftsman-style details, including the tapered square columns and brick accents, but the modest porch and colorful landscaping set a distinctive cottage tone. 5. Spacious cottage-style homes. Cottage-style homes aren't always limited to small floor plans. Larger builds use distinctive elements, such as the wraparound porch and ornamental brackets pictured here, to play up the charm. Although this house is much bigger than most cottages, the white picket fence and low front porch offer an approachable look from the curb. 6. Colorful cottage-style home. Simple updates that don't cost a lot can pay off big on cottage-style homes. Here, those include window boxes at both lower and second-story windows, as well as a trellis pattern repeated around the front door and on the containers. The bright pink front door features a marble design for another charming exterior element. 7. Cottage-style curb appeal. Little details make the difference in enhancing curb appeal for cottage-style home exteriors. Here, that starts with a white picket fence to accent the home's creamy neutral color. Time-worn bricks keep the walkway casual, complementing the simple front porch railing and rocking chairs. 8. Cottage exteriors. A screened-in porch can be one of the signature details of a cottage-style home, and the extra details on this exterior make it all the more charming. Those include crosshatch mullions on the lower section as well as a cherry red door, which provides a striking color contrast to the pastel exterior. A flagstone walkway also keeps things casual and welcoming. 9. Garden ideas for cottage-style homes. Cottage-style gardens often feature exuberant displays of flowers and a relaxed, informal look. Dress up a cottage-style home with these same ideas to play up a cozy, rural look. On this 2-story home, trellises break up the height from the sidewalk to the roof trim and bring bursts of color to the shingled facade. 10. Small cottage-style home. Small cottage homes can offer tons of charm within a limited footprint. Colorful siding and trim, bay windows, carefree landscaping, and a low wood fence define this quaint home. For cottages that lack a front porch, a front yard can also provide a seating spot and a welcome opportunity to interact with passersby. 11. Cottage-style landscaping. Lovely landscaping designs define many cottage-style homes. Here, a casual, overflowing collection of colorful blooms lends a storybook feeling to this wood-shingled cottage. A delicately detailed fence adds definition to the flower bed to keep it from looking too out of control. 12. Traditional style cottage home. An equal mix of traditional style and quaint cottage, this classic home exhibits powerful symmetry and a steeply peaked roofline. The restrained landscaping design keeps the focus on the cozy cottage exterior. Matching window boxes soften the low hedge border, while the inset pavers add a casual element to the otherwise staid palette and details. 13. Cozy cottage home. This cottage-style home was designed for relaxation. Matching swings on either end of the porch offer spots to enjoy various views. Outdoor ceiling fans keep homeowners and guests cool while kicking back. Along the roofline, 2 chimneys hint at cozy fireplaces within. 14. Beach cottage ideas. Depending on its location, a cottage-style home might have influencing aesthetics that help determine some of its details. For this beach cottage, the homeowners chose to dress up the beach wall with details that mimic the home, including white walls and an orange-red brick accent. Black shutters and window shades help ground the white palette, while greenhouse numbers add a subtle touch of color. 15. English-inspired cottage. Plucked from the pages of a storybook, this quaint cottage-style home uses architecture and landscaping to create casually beautiful curb appeal. A tall stone wall and wide wooden gate provide entry into the midst of a growing collection of flowers and shrubs. The stone facade and the roof's curvy shingles appear pulled directly from the English cottages of old. And there you have it, a peek into the whimsical and incredibly cozy world of cottage-style design. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or a large family home, the beauty of this style is that it focuses on warmth, personality, and creating a space that tells your own unique story. Don't be afraid to mix in some vintage finds, soft textures, and plenty of natural elements to make it truly your own. Did this video inspire you to add some cottage charm to your living space? Drop a comment below and tell us which cottage element you love most. Is it the floral patterns, the cozy nooks, or perhaps those vintage decor pieces? If you enjoyed this tour through the world of design, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Better Homes Designs channel for your weekly dose of home inspiration. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new design trend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.